Guys, Chef Ash here again. Today we're making sauce. No, not chicken foot sauce, not pig foot sauce. We're making shrimp sauce today. Let's go. Okay, so we have this little finely minced ingredients here. I put cherry peppers, shadow benny, pimento, and garlic. I just finely minced it, and we're going to use this to season our shrimp here. That has salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. So you're gonna put this in there. You're gonna squeeze some lime just to cut the freshness of the shrimp. Squeeze the lime. We're gonna do one whole lime. Okay? And just put a little bit these lime slices in there. Use a wooden spoon and mix it up. Get everything well combined. Make sure all the shrimp is covered with the finely minced ingredients and is well coated. Alright, so now that everything is well coated, the shrimp, we are going to move to the boiling water on the stove. So you're going to be careful because this pot is hot. You're going to use a hot cloth. This is boiling water. Right? And you're going to just carefully ease shrimp down inside the boiling water. Just take your time and do this. Don't put the shrimp away from you so it wouldn't splash. Right? Then you're just gonna scrape the little seasoning bits. I'm just gonna put it in. And now you're gonna take off the stove and let the and leave it uncovered and let the water cool down. Okay, so the shrimps have cooled down from the boiling water slightly, but we're going to stop the cooking process completely. And by doing that, we're going to put the shrimps in ice water, which we have here. So just take your time once again. And this stops the shrimp from cooking, like stops it, right? And you could also use this method when you're boiling eggs to get different doneness. Right, so you're just gonna take it out from the ice water and put it back. Oh, yeah, you gotta mix it up a little bit. Just to make sure. And then you're gonna take it out and put it back into the strainer or the bowl. Alright, so one ingredient we use when you're making this dish was shadow benny, right? And a lot of people know about it, but they don't know how to get it. I'm going to show you what it is and how you're finding it and how you're going to use it, okay? So come on, let's go. Okay, so if you look here on this embankment of a ravine, you'll see that there's these little shrubs growing. This is where you would find shadow bunny, but there isn't any here right now. So let's go further in and see if we find it.
Poverty is hell, and the angels are in paradise, driving in their limousine, where everything is nice and clean. A poor man living in a teeny weeny hut, children hungry, nothing in the pot. He gone by the neighbor to beg for some rice. The neighbor under pressure by things is nice. He gone in the picture day.
I'm shut up in here.
5 hours later.
Alright, so we didn't find any shadow bunny in the first place, so we found some here, right? This is what you're looking for when you're looking for shadow bunny. There's this shrub that grows over the leaves, and it has these leaves on it, right? And these leaves has picker on it, and it can get into your skin, and it really scratches, right? But if you just pat them, you'll find this. So you're just gonna come down low to the stem, and you're gonna pull, and this right here is a shadow bunny leaf. Use this for many dishes in locally, like curry, or as we use in today, shrimp sauce. And just to know if you have the right thing, you're gonna break it in half, you know, like here, and you're gonna take a sniff, and it actually smells really good. And that's how you know you have shadow bunny. Nice. Alright, so the final step before we eat is putting the cucumber and onions into the bowl. Just gonna take your time.